beaked whale. It has a pointed snout. It lives far offshore. It is one of the deepest divers. Fin whale. It is long and slender. It glides through open oceans. It's the second largest whale. Harbor porpoise. It is small and shy. It stays near cool coasts. It breathes with soft, quick puffs. Dugong. It has a gentle, rounded face. It grazes on seagrass meadows. It's called a sea cow. Oceanic white-tipped shark. It has white-tipped broad fins. It roams the open ocean. It cruises slowly but never stops moving. Thresher shark. It has a very long tail. It lives in deep blue water. It slaps fish with its tail to stun them. Portuguese man-o'-war. It looks like a purple balloon. It floats on the surface with long, stinging tentacles. It's a team of tiny animals living together. Box jellyfish. It has a square bell. It swims near tropical shores. Its sting is very strong, so give it space. Leatherback sea turtle. It has a soft, leathery shell with white spots. It dives very deep for jellyfish. It can travel across whole oceans. Hawksbill sea turtle. It has a pointed beak like a hawk. It loves coral reefs. It helps keep sponges from taking over. Olive ridley sea turtle. It's small and olive green. It nests in huge groups called arabatas. Babies dash to the sea at night. Loggerhead sea turtle. It has a big head and strong jaws. It cracks crabs and shellfish. It cruises warm coastal waters. Kemp's ridley sea turtle. It's the smallest sea turtle. It nests on sandy beaches in daylight. It needs our protection to survive. Emperor penguin. It's the tallest penguin. It huddles with others to stay warm. Parents take turns caring for the chick. Chinstrap penguin. It has a black line under its chin. It nests on rocky Antarctic islands. It dives fast to catch krill. Gentoo penguin. It has a bright orange beak. It builds pebble nests. It swims like a tiny torpedo. Cownose ray. It has a rounded head like a cow's nose. It swims in big schools. It flaps its fins like wings. Ray. It has white spots on dark skin. It glides over reefs with long tails. It eats clams and crabs. Viper fish. It has long fangs that point up. It lives in the deep, dark sea. It flashes lights to lure prey. Hatchet fish. Its body is thin like a hatchet blade. It swims in deep waters. It glows to blend with moonlight. Dragonfish. It looks fierce with barbel lights. It lives far below sunlight. It uses glow bait to hunt. Oarfish. It's long like a silver ribbon. It lives in deep oceans. It sometimes rises to the surface after storms. Snipe eel. It has a very thin beak. It lives in open, deep water. It snaps tiny shrimp in the dark. Gulper eel. It has a huge mouth and tiny body. It lives in the deep sea. It can swallow prey bigger than itself. Barrel-eye fish. It has a clear head with green eyes. It hovers above jellyfish and worms. Its eyes look upward through its glassy dome. Tripod fish. It stands on long, thin legs. It waits on the seafloor. It faces into currents for food. Fangtooth. It has giant teeth for its size. It lives in the deep. It looks scary but stays small. Hagfish. It looks like a slimy eel. It lives on the seafloor. It makes sticky slime to escape danger. Lamprey. It has a round, toothy mouth. It can live in sea and river. It sucks on other fish to feed. Sailfish. It has a tall, sail-like fin. It swims very fast in open seas. It raises its sail to herd fish. Wahoo! It's sleek and striped. It races near the surface. It's one of the fastest fish. Flying gurnard. It opens big, wing-like fins. It lives on sandy bottoms. It flares its wings to startle predators. Sea robin. It has finger-like fins that walk. It searches sand for food. It can make croaking sounds. Black-tip reef shark. It has black tips on its fins. It cruises shallow coral reefs. It is shy and quick to turn away. Tiger shark. It has faint stripes. It patrols warm coasts. It eats many kinds of food. Bull shark. It is thick and strong. It can swim in rivers and the sea. It likes muddy, shallow water. Sperm whale. It has a square head. It dives very deep for squid. It clicks loudly to find prey. Pilot whale. It is black and smooth. It travels in tight family groups. It follows a leader like a pilot. Clownfish. It's small and orange with white stripes. It lives among sea anemones. It dances playfully to hide from danger. Blue tang. It's bright blue with a yellow tail. It swims around coral reefs. It loves to nibble tiny algae. Great white shark. It's huge with sharp teeth. It lives in the open ocean. It can smell blood from far away. Dolphin. It's gray and smooth. It lives in groups called pods. It loves to jump and talk through clicks. Octopus. It has 8 long arms. It can change color to hide. It squirts ink when scared. Sea turtle. It has a hard shell. It lives in warm seas. It travels thousands of miles to lay eggs. Starfish. It has 5 arms and no bones. It lives on the ocean floor. It can grow back a lost arm. Jellyfish. It's soft and see-through. It drifts with the waves. Some glow in the dark. Seahorse. It's tiny and shaped like a horse. It holds onto sea plants with its tail. Dads carry the babies. Crab. It has a hard shell and 2 claws. It walks sideways on the sand. It hides in holes when waves crash. Lobster. It's red after cooking, but dark green in the sea. It has big claws to grab food. It lives under rocks. Stingray. It's flat and smooth. It glides like a flying carpet. It hides in the sand with only its eyes showing. Squid. It has long tentacles. It can shoot ink to escape. It swims fast by squirting water. Whale shark. It's the largest fish in the ocean. It has white spots all over. It eats tiny plankton, not people. Moray eel. It's long like a snake. It hides in coral caves. It peeks out with sharp teeth showing. Sea urchin. It's round and covered in spines. It lives on rocks under the sea. Some glow purple or red. Sea cucumber. It's soft and tube-shaped. It crawls slowly on the ocean floor. It cleans the sea by eating waste. Angelfish. It's bright with stripes and patterns. It lives near coral reefs. It loves to swim in pairs. Parrotfish. It has a beak like a parrot. It bites coral to eat algae. It poops out sand that makes beaches swordfish. It has a long, sharp nose. It swims super fast. It uses its sword to hit small fish. Ocean sunfish. It's big and flat like a giant pancake. It floats near the surface to warm up. It can weigh as much as a car beluga sturgeon. It's an ancient fish with bony plates. It lives in deep rivers and seas. Its eggs are used for caviar. Cuttlefish. It's smart and can change color fast. It has a W-shaped pupil. It shoots ink when scared. Archerfish. It spits water to shoot bugs off leaves. It has amazing aim. It lives in mangroves and estuaries. Mud skipper. It can walk on land with its fins. It lives in muddy shores. It breathes through its skin. Sea snail. It has a spiral shell. It crawls slowly on rocks. Some make colorful shells we collect. Cone snail. It looks pretty with bright patterns. It hides in coral sand. But it's very poisonous wobbegong shark. It's flat and patterned like a rug. It lies still to ambush prey. It's called a carpet shark. Dogfish shark. It's small and gray. It lives in cool seas. It hunts in schools at night. Cookie cutter shark. It bites around holes in big fish. It's small but brave. It glows in the dark. Arctic char. It's shiny and spotted. It lives in cold, icy waters. It can survive freezing temperatures. Salmon. It swims from the ocean back to rivers. It jumps up waterfalls to lay eggs. Bears love to eat it. Eel catfish. It looks like both an eel and a catfish. It hides in muddy bottoms. It uses whiskers to find food. Sand tiger shark. It looks scary but gentle. It swallows air to float. It glides slowly with a toothy grin. Zebra shark. It has stripes as a baby and spots as an adult. It rests on the sea floor. It's calm and friendly. Nurse shark. It's slow and sleepy. It rests in caves during the day. It sucks food with a strong mouth. Basking shark. It's giant but harmless. It swims with its mouth wide open. It eats tiny plankton. Greenland shark. It lives for hundreds of years. It moves very slowly in cold waters. It's one of the oldest animals. Sawfish. It has a long, saw-like nose. It swings it to catch prey. It lives near river mouths. Elephant seal. It's big and heavy. Males have a long nose like a trunk. It can dive deeper than most whales.